When switching from Cricket Wireless to another carrier, you can keep your existing phone number through a process called porting. Here's exactly how to port your number from Cricket to your new provider. First, you need to get your number transfer PIN. Cricket provides 4 convenient ways to obtain this PIN. You can dial Starport from your Cricket phone for the quickest method, use the My Cricket mobile app, call customer service at 1-800-CRICKET, or log into your online account. The My Cricket app makes it easy to get your PIN. Simply go to the home screen, click the gear icon, select your line, and choose Get My Number Transfer PIN. You'll also need your Cricket account number. This can be found on your billing statement, in your online account, or through the My Cricket app. Make sure to have this information ready before contacting your new carrier. Next, contact your new carrier and provide them with your Cricket account number and number transfer PIN. They will use this information to initiate the porting process and transfer your number to their network. This step is crucial. Do not cancel your Cricket service until the porting process is completely finished. Canceling too early can result in losing your phone number permanently. The transfer typically takes 24 to 48 hours to complete. Once the transfer is complete, test your new service to ensure everything works properly. Your Cricket service will automatically cancel when the port finishes. Remember, the number transfer PIN is only valid for a few days, so request it close to when you plan to submit the transfer request to your new carrier. When switching to Cricket Wireless, you'll need to gather specific information from your current carrier to keep your phone number. New customers can start the number transfer process directly on Cricket's website during checkout. Simply add your information when selecting your plan and device. Important: do not cancel your current service until your Cricket service is fully activated. Canceling too early could result in losing your phone number. Once your Cricket device or SIM card arrives, activate it following the included instructions. The number transfer will happen automatically during the activation process. During the transfer process, you may experience mixed service. This means your old device might receive calls while your new Cricket device makes calls. This is temporary and normal during the porting process. If you need assistance with the porting process, Cricket's dedicated porting department is available at 844-311-1500 to help you through any issues.